And in more breaking news coming in, it's the Law Minister Veerappa Moily who's now done a U-turn of sorts on the government's stand to repeal Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code. He's actually said that his stand on the issue has been misinterpreted. Let's now first listen into Veerappa Moily's comment. This is what the Law Minister had said only yesterday. The comment where he says that he has been misinterpreted. Let's listen into that comment first.
Any law amendment which you propose, we cannot take it. Government cannot take a decision in a hurry. One need to apply our mind, then also understand the things fully. Then appropriate views will have to be taken.
Was this a statement which was perhaps done in haste, given in haste,
which
that you will be rethinking? Do you perhaps...
No. I think there is no question. I think it was misinterpreted. If you can witness what I have said in the TV itself, what I have said, when the question was put, about the many sections in the Indian Penal Code, yes, many of the sections need rethinking. Then when they asked about this section 377 of the IPC, that I said we are examining it. I have not...
Right, Durga, you happen to get that reaction from Veerappa Moily. It seems like there's a bit of a U-turn now from his earlier stated position where he had clearly hinted that, some of the outdated clauses of the Indian Penal Code might be phased out.
Well, yes, Harishri, it was a very guarded law minister whom we saw today. He was very non-committal on the answer that he gave us when we specifically asked him as to what the government stand on the Section 377 of the IPC would be. He said the government had not taken any stand as of now, but the Home Ministry had convened a meeting between the Health and the law ministries, and then opinion would be taken, and perhaps some sort of a consensus would be evolved. We saw the law minister earlier giving a statement categorically stating that the law would be rethought about, but then again he went back saying he would have to consult the community as such before a consensus would be evolved. But today, again, the third time the question was posed to him, he said... He said any law cannot be proposed or amended in a hurry, and we had to take a lot of opinions. He also went on record to say that he had been misinterpreted. The question which had been posed to him was a very generic one on rethinking of sections of IPC, and he said, yes, we would be considering it. And then when it trickled down to a specific question on the gay rights, he said we will examine whether we need to rethink or not. So he said that it was a sort of misinterpretation of this particular interview. But yes, we have seen a flip-flop, a U-turn from what Mr. Veerappa Moily had said on day one.
And in fact, here's what Veerappa Moily had indicated yesterday, clearly giving a hint that some of the outdated laws regarding gay rights in the country would be looked at again.
It is sub judice to comment on that. Number two, I think Home Minister is contemplating to convene a meeting of the Health Minister and also Law Minister on this question.